हेलो फ्रेंड्स, डॉक्टर विजय किमटाटा दिस साइड। तो आज मैं एक्सप्लेन करने जा रहा हूँ अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ अलना शुद्ध शिलाजीत 20 ग्राम्स। ये एक प्राइम बॉक्स प्रीमियम बॉक्स में पैकिंग रखी है अलना बायोटेक ने। मिनरल एंड प्योर, दिस इज़ द मोस्ट नेचुरल एंड मोस्ट इफेक्टिव एंड मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल खनिज, वी कॉल इट एज मिनरलो मेटल ओरिजिन फ्रॉम द अर्थ क्रस्ट, मदर अर्थ। 20 ग्राम्स में ये पैकिंग है। इसकी अनबॉक्सिंग मैं करने जा रहा हूँ। इट्स द मोस्ट प्योरेस्ट, आई कैन श्योर यू। there is a seal, you have to remove it and get nice box inside a golden cap with the tray, mark of tray, that is only to settle it, to fix it at the bottom. And look at the container, the golden cap with the shrink sleeve as a sealing sign of a seal. It's a brand new. I'm opening it up. Wow, it's perfect. Alna Vedics Shuddh Shilajit Nature and Pure 20 grams. This is the best packing we have seen. None of the other products are in this packing. I haven't seen that. Wow. The aroma is perfect. Looks so pure, I think. None of the material, कोई भी चीज़ यूनिवर्स में इस स्मेल की नहीं है, because it's a unique type of material derived from earth crust after purification, shodhan, maran, sattvapatam, etc. Must be saturated with. It's a gomutra gandhi shilajitu. The perfection. The test of perfection is it smell like a gomutra. We have got a complete testing range of this. HPLC tested. Very soon I'll share that in my next video. Now, don't have a stick, or else I'll taste it like. Look at it. It's unique taste. It's aphrodisiac as well as. It's antioxidant. It is dhatu pushtivardhak, ras, rakt, mams, med, asthi, majja, shukra. And then comes the oj, the immunity part. It enhances, it maintains the balance of vak, pitta, kapha in the body. This is the only mineral or metal origin ingredient we have. That is a Shuddh Shilajit, 950 mg. Look at it, 20 grams is the. It's quite expensive. It has got look at the packing. It's cruelty free, 100% natural, 100% recyclable packing, paraben free, rich in fulvic acid. That is the most important thing I must tell you. The fulvic acid, 2.5% fulvic acid. None of the Shilajit in the market, online, let it be of the oldest companies of more than 100 years. Even they don't contain 2.5% fulvic acid. This is the acid. Fulvic acid is the main active ingredient of Shilajit, which leads to the antioxidant property, which leads to the Dhatu Vardhan in sequence. Ras, Rakt, Mams, Med, Asthi, Majja, Shukra. Then comes the Ojas part. Ojas is the IgI, IgM, IgE, the immunity, WBC, lymphocytes, basophils, neutrophils. These all are enhanced by the Shilajit only. This is the aphrodisiac also, the oligospermia, aspermia, zoospermia, all type of infertility related cases also can be cured, or those conditions of debilitated body, dhatus सफिशेंट नहीं है, वीक बॉडी है, ओल्ड एज में, मिड एज में, यंग एज में, चाइल्ड एज में, एनीबडी कैन टेक दिस. This is a product, a unique product of its kind, manufactured by Alna Vedics, Alna Biotech. You can visit on the site that Alna Him Shilajit or Alna Shilajit. You can type in any of the on Google. Manufactured by Alna Vedics, ISO certified biotech company. Sodium and potassium permittable. Preservatives are added. The reference is Rasa Shastra and Indian Pharmacopoeia. Balya strengthens the body. Rasayana, antioxidant, checks the aging. Immunobooster, I have told you. Journal body deability, tiredness, or excessive sleep, laziness, lethargy, all are cured by, or we can keep them away if we consume Alna Shuddh Shilajit. I have done the unboxing right now. It's a perfect blend. What a fragrance it has got. So I'm sitting in my clinic and I would recommend to all my patients that use Alna Shilajit. And daily use, a male or a female, a kid or a old, whole family can use it with the mentioned quantities as per the age. And keeping the diseases away, old age away, this is Alna Shilajit. I recommend kindly use it whenever you feel tiredness, lethargy, sleep, excessive sleep, loss of energy, and loss of stamina, vigor, because it's also an aphrodisiac, dhatu vardak, energy enhancer, body. Fulvic acid is the main. We have got a test report of that, NABL, FSI approved labs. We have got a testing of in HPLC. The perfect product of its kind on Google. No other company can provide such a purest form of Shuddh Shilajit. Alna Shuddh Shilajit. I would recommend Alna Shuddh Shilajit. Should be the drug of choice for checking early aging signs as antioxidant, body tiredness, lack of stamina, vigor, etc. things. So wait for my next video on the premium products of Alna Vedics. This is a growing company doing miraculous research work in new developments like IU64, Pascopour. There are a lot of other products I will show you, I will discuss with you, explain you in my next YouTube videos. Thank you very much.